Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the UID self-service update portal SUP. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar or EID and request an OTP to verify. This proves you control the linked mobile. Once authenticated, choose the demographic field to change and upload the correct document image. The portal accepts standard PDFs or JPGs. Make sure file sizes meet limits and names match exactly, because mismatches cause rejection. This initial authentication and accurate document upload speeds approval. Now you fill the update form step by step. Pick the specific fields to change and type values exactly as on your proof. Once done, attach the matching document for each field, address proof for address, birth proof for DOB, so verifiers can cross-check quickly. After uploading, review every character because SUP uses verbatim text. You then digitally sign the request with the OTP, preview the summary, and submit the request for processing. Submit the request, pay the nominal fee if prompted, and note the URN shown. That 28-digit number is how you track progress. Once submitted, check the SUP status periodically. Approvals often take days. If the request is rejected, read the exact remark, correct the specified issue, document quality, name mismatch, or missing field, then resubmit. If persistent problems occur, visit an Aadhaar center with originals for in-person verification. This resolves fingerprint or photo failures that online updates cannot fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.